Hey Tess, what you doing?
I'm having Daddy keep these.
Yeah, what are you doing? What is it?
I'm helping Daddy
Empty the
dishwasher.
dishwasher, and you're putting away the forks and spoons.
Yeah, and I'm joining them up, and you can see I'm doing pop-up stool.
Yeah, not a pop-up stool.
And I'm throwing these out on here, and none of these have broke. So I'm joining them up really well.
Okay.
And very careful, okay?
Uh-huh.
And I'm trying to figure out which one goes in which. These are the knives. These are the big spoons. These are the little spoons. And the other mommy and daddy forks. And the big mommy and daddy forks. And I have forks right now. And some are long, some are big, and some are short and BBs. There's baby ones in here somewhere.
We've moved those because you don't use those anymore. We've moved the baby forks away.
Yeah, so you eat ice creams with these back forks.
What? We eat ice cream with forks? Well, you haven't had ice cream in a while, I guess. Go with those two forks that are on the counter still. You want to put those away?
This one goes in the big large. This one goes in the tiny.
All right.
And I am having a stool so I can go up high.
Yes, I want you to be very careful on that stool and only step right in the middle, okay?
I'm doing that. And I brought one spoon, okay?
Oh, one spoon, okay.
So that's why I don't want these to get broken and send them out nice. These are the whole family of forks. These are the whole family of knives. These are the two families of spoons. This is the mommy one. This is the tiny sister one. This is the brother one. This is the daddy one. This is the baby spoon one.
Super. Excellent job.
And
Oh, you have more. I thought you were all done.
as you know, I'm doing it not fast, but with these many.
Great.
I'm not,
It's a great choice.
not going to break them. So I'm putting them on the mat
Mm-hmm. Super.
so they don't break.
No, it's. I don't think you.
Here it's hard that they can break on. So I'm putting them over here so they don't break. Okay. Mom, sister, brother, baby, mom.
All right.
And I have one more spoon
One more. Okay.
until I am done with the silverware.
Excellent.
Done.
All done? Let me close that up. Great job.
Now
Can we say goodbye?